Mitosis is the process the cell goes through to divide itself.
Mitosis results in two genetically identical cells.
But what processes does a cell go through in mitosis?
Let's find out.
The mitotic phase has four main phases, the first of which is prophase.
Meet our cell, Eric. He will be talking about his mitotic experience.
Hello, I am a skin cell. I am an expert on mitosis because I divide very often.
Hi, Eric.
As Srinath said, the first phase I go through is indeed prophase.
Wow, exactly what happens in this phase?
Well, this is the first phase of my mitotic phase.
Could you go more in depth?
Of course, first my chromatin, which are thread-like DNA, condensed to form chromosomes. Chromosomes are rod-like structures made of DNA and protein. Next, my nuclear membrane starts to disappear, and my centrioles move to opposite sides of the cell. Finally, some spindle fibers start to form.
That concludes the prophase.
Next up is the metaphase.
Meta means middle, so I'm assuming that this phase has something to do with that.
Of course, in metaphase, my nuclear membrane is gone, so my chromosomes all line up in the middle of the cell.
Spindle fibers are filaments made out of microtubules and are essential to mitosis. But what do the spindle fibers and centrioles do in this phase?
The centrioles are at opposite ends of my cell, and the spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes.
I'm going to let him finish moving. Paclitaxel is a cancer-treating drug which aims to kill cancer cells.
That's right. Paclitaxel interferes with the spindle fiber dynamics, which ensure correct alignment of the chromosome pairs.
Specifically, when a cell is treated with this drug, the cell forms defects in the mitotic spindle assembly.
This prevents the chromosomes from achieving a proper metaphase spindle configuration, ultimately leading to the death of the cell.
What's the next phase?
It's called anaphase.
Hype.
Spindle fibers, forming chromatids from the... My chromosomes are pulled apart by spindle fibers, forming chromatids from the former chromosomes.
Wow, that's it?
Interesting. Now it's time to explore the final phase, telophase.
Now we'll wait for the molecules to divide in proper function. In this final phase, the chromosomes are completely separated and the spindle fibers disappear.
Right on, my nuclear membrane also comes back in time to separate. Since I'm an animal cell, when I divide, a cleavage furrow pinches my cell into two cells.
The process of cytokinesis also occurs, right?
Yep, this is when the cytoplasm divides to make two daughter cells. Since I'm an animal cell, I form a cleavage furrow, but plant cells use a cell plate to divide the cell due to the rigid structure of the cell wall.
So in the end, two daughter cells are formed and each one is genetically identical and contains the same amount of chromosomes.
Wow, that's so cool.
Indeed.